Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, I'm going to start testing ClickRank. This is a tool I found on AppSumo with a lot of reviews to be honest. And I want to see how effective this tool when it comes to AI SEO and what are the data it provides is actually useful from a business owner perspective. You know my SEO expertise, SEO has been part of me for more than 10 years. So I will be testing out this tool to see how effective it is. The first point I want to emphasize is like everything is good, but remember this tool is not an alternative to Ahref. Most of the time, many startup SEO tool is never going to be an alternative for SMrush or Ahref. It might have one or two features of this tool, but it is never going to be alternative because these tools are more than features. These tools are databases. And any tools which claim it is a totally replaceable tool for that particular one need to have that database to back it up. A simple thought which came to my mind, I wanted to emphasize that if you want to support me after checking out this video, I will leave the affiliate link for ClickRank in the description. You can click on it. It will help me to create more content like this. Okay, let me get started without wasting too much of your time. I have created an account. It is a premium account. I have took 1 month trial. And here what I have done is I verified my website because I wanted to show from a first user perspective, you are new to this tool. How easy it is getting started, what are the unique features about it, and how easy to get started with this using this tool. So first I have verified my website. It was really easy. My website is a WordPress website, so it gave me an option to install a WordPress plugin, or it can I just can implement a code within my head script, which was easy. So I used Generate Press, which is a favorite theme of mine. So I added the tab and verified, and it was done. The next step was to connect Search Console to bring valuable data into this tool. So I'm going to connect it now. Okay, I have connected it. Great job. It's successfully connected to Search Console. Since I have multiple websites within my Search Console, I need to select the correct website here. So I have selected the correct website here, and let me click on connect. So it was easy, not any technical knowledge needed or anything like that. It was very easy. Now let me go back into the dashboard. Okay, so now it's saying that my website is currently being crawled. So you verify your ownership, connect to your Google Search Console. Immediately you start seeing results in a visual way. It's currently showing me, I think it is for the 1 month period or 1 week. I'm not sure, but my website received a lot of clicks, but I think it is for 1 week probably. And total impression, how much I have grown, what is the CTR looks like, what is the average position, performance trends are shown here. You can see all the different data. It's good. It also shown me a geographical performance. This is a site specifically designed for India, so you can see most of my website. This is cool, the way it shows it. It's not useful to be honest, but it's cool. Keyword distribution, like it says me like how many keywords of mine is on top 3, 1483 keywords, top 4 to 10, 2891. It's giving me all the valuable data. I'm occupying top 3 for this 17.8 percentage of my total keyword, my 34.7 percentage of traffic like keywords on first page. So this is good valuable data. We can also see this data in Search Console, but it's more data oriented. So apart from that, we also have other reports. Let's wait for this crawl to finish first. So I just wanted to update the progress. You can see it almost found 170 plus pages so far. It will finish soon. The tool itself layout into the core component here. And we have dedicated tool section on the left side bar. And in the top bar, I think that's what they are trying to say with fire and pop up. An SEO agent, we will try that once we have all the data given. So we can see whether this AI tool is able to help us with the data we need. Let me wait again. It's still doing. I'm still waiting for it to finish. It's around 4 minutes past. It's good. I could use a fake website or a dummy website, but we want to test out how this tool is effective on a real scale. You can see my website is pretty big. I never noticed myself. and it is already going past 400 plus pages, and this number is also rising. I'm not sure what this number. I will go ahead once this is finished. Currently it is on 50%. I will pause the video and come back. Another quick update I wish to share. It has been on 81% found so far, 774 pages. And you can see the audit number also very huge. It's paused here. I'm not sure whether it's stuck or it will keep on continue. Let me wait and update you again. Okay, so I refreshed the page and that pop-up disappeared, the progress bar. So I think it's completed. There was no proper complete message here. So it's done. It's done. It shows that 38% is complete. The website score now comes into play. So here before it was not showing me. So it says that I'm on good, but there are critical errors. Let's see. Warning, notices. So total of 2021 problems it has found. We will see all this data right now. Let's go with the wizard itself rather than going into all the other section, because they have designed some kind of a logic here. Let's see how effective that logic itself first. So when I click on optimize your first page, let's see what data we are seeing. It shows me all the pages within my website, which is good. It also gives me filter to see all the different stuff: title tag, image tag, schema, headings, content. So let's see what happens. So here, let me do something like with impression. So I know these are the posts with a lot of impressions. And let's say, for example, I find a post here which has a lot of impression, but less rating, ranking. I mean, we want to find these what we called as low hanging fruit, essentially anywhere between first 6 position to 20 position. So I'll try to find something like that, maybe somewhere around this one, Isha Temple. This is a very popular tourist destination. Let's say I want to optimize this. If I want to do that, let me click on optimize. Let's see what is happening. Now it has taken me to a different section where it shows me how many clicks I have received. No clicks, definitely then I want to optimize. Impression, which is good, it is getting impression. Average position is 18. That is the reason we are not getting any clicks. We don't have any data here because we didn't receive any results. Page card. So it's giving me the current page title, page description, and queries where the most searches or impression is coming into play. The original title shows Isha template code. Title tag, again, very important. So let me click on auto optimize. Let's see what is it's coming up with. Okay, so it gives me a sort of forecast percentage increase in click through rate. And what is this? Let me see a tooltip for this. I think for both, this is the same tooltip. This is a lot. I'm going to be honest, my title is not really good. It is not formatted properly. Isha Temple Coimbatore Spiritual, very good to be honest. Again, Isha Yoga Temple for Yoga, very good. So these are good. So I'll take on its suggestion. Let me open up this page so we can see a side by side comparison. I need to fix the formatting. I think something is broken here. Sorry about that. Let's look into the stuff which matters. So let me click on this. I think this is the thing which I selected. Okay, done. New page title I added successfully. Did it add it to the website itself? Yeah, title is updated. So that is good. It was really fast, unexpected, to be honest. This is a different custom field. So that is why it didn't update in the post title. But let's say, for example, if I click on Edit Explore, can I see it in the backend also? And yeah, I think it is updated. So that is good. It updated this on the title page itself. So that is first good step. Now get me go into the description. So it's not H1, it's title tag. Description. So it's currently showing me this is the description I have. Let's see. We also have customization control. I didn't see it for the title. I can create different types of titles as well, different versions, which is good as a custom prompt also. Let me try that with description. Something like question, professional. Let me go with question based since we want like people asking different questions about this destination. So when I click on that, it should give suggestions similar to question, which is really good to be honest. Is the Isha table going special? Not. I like to use bit more characteristic. We have up to 160 character limit, so I like to see it use it. But again, it is coming with up with questions. There are other stuff as well. How to guide, include emoji, custom prompt. So let me click on the default to see the default sections which is coming out. So it is giving me minus sign here. So here it giving me a positive. So I'm not sure how it is coming up with this text, but whatever it is, it's actually relevant because it clearly identified it as a spiritual hub, iconic Shiva statue. That is very correct. Meditation program. All these are very interesting. So let me click on here. So now I can see the. Give me a second. I have a extension which I can use it to see the meta information. So this is the meta information right now. Let me apply this. Okay, that is done. Now let me refresh it. Is it updated? Let me clear the cache. I'm not sure. This is from this section. Let me do it again. I think I need to refresh it. You can see it is updated automatically. So it was really easy, very easy. One click, it automatically updates it. Next, let us do the image alt text. Like for this post, there is no image. So there it's not showing me any of this optimization. Schema. Let's see what is the auto schema markup generation does. So I have clicked on it and you can see it is creating a web page entity, which is good. It is also creating a heading and description, image, author as an organization, which is good. Image of the website URL, again good. It took the correct logo and also creating a schema for the data and address, which is really good. All these are very good to be honest. This schema is properly laid out to give better information. So if I add it here also, it should have added that schema into that section here as well. So let me again refresh it. I'm not sure whether Substat has the option to see the schema. I can't remember. Let's see. I'm doing a refresh. Structured data. Okay, you can see schema. Okay, all the schema which it created, I think it came back. Let's see. Let me do the structure schema test because I want to make sure it is doing the things which it's saying it is. So I'm going into the schema and I'm putting this particular URL. I should see the schema which it generated from keywords, categories, all these things. So we have something like blog posting and we have some warning. It is missing some details. I think it is bringing all those details as well. That is good, but I'm not seeing all the details. So I'm not sure how it is missing some of the details which is shown here. It's not available here. So maybe is it because of theme? I need to do a bit more check on it. So schema, not 100%, but let's see. Internal links. So let me do this is one of the very important when it comes to SEO. Doing internal links is very important because it helps us to create more authority to our pages without relying on the third party because we can't expect to go out and build third party links every single time. So internal links will create a lot of SEO power and related topical authority. Because my site is very big, it is taking some time. Sorry about that. Interesting and very good suggestion so far because it suggested relevant closer to the location. It also brings up a bus route option because anyone who's looking to visit this particular place will be interested on that. I also covered a event on which happened on this particular destination. Automatically, it brings up that as well. Again, template automatically bringing a category template. So, like just clicking on it here, it should add all those internal link. Let's see. I wish there was an option to edit here. So I can edit any of these words. Obviously, I need to fix this issue. Looks really unprofessional right now. There's something wrong. Let me see. Okay, so it's the opposite way around. It's not linking from here to other places. It should have these links added on these pages, I think. So if I go here, you can see where is the link placed. It should be spiritual Isha map, I think. Let's see. I'm not seeing this. Let's see where the link was added. Should be added here, or is it the same place? I'm not confused where it is added the link automatically. Let's check that out. I'm not able to find that. Let's see whether this works or not. I'm not sure what happened with this particular one, but for some, this added. So I want to check out. It's not just a single thing. Let me do this again. It's not coming up. I'm not sure why it is adding on some pages and not adding on other pages. So that is a problem. It need to be reliable for that. So that is what internal links add sums, but it's not adding others. I need to figure out that. Adding is where, let's see, it's should improve the adding sections of it. Like, does it make any changes of what we are doing? Like, it's currently 84%. I didn't check it previously. So auto adding optimization, what is it? I don't see any positive icons anywhere here. I don't think there is any changes here. Everything looks same to me. Let me go with content. Content also I can do one by one. So let's see. What's this? Ask AI. Let's see. The Isha situated footage software agreement schedule serves as a explore the. So let's see. Yeah, I'm changing the first introduction. Let's see whether that works. Let me go into this. Sorry about that. Okay, it changed the description. So it is good. This feature is good. In case if you want to improve something, you just make a ask AI suggestion. Then based on it, it can write for it. But I wish it include keywords, all the targeted keywords and everything, or it's just rewriting normally. ClickRank uses AI and Google search insight to inject relevant keywords and optimize their content. So it is good. They are trying doing that. I was wondering whether they are doing it or not. So these are things good. Let me do one more section. I don't want to do every single thing. Let me go here. Okay, you need to be careful because it also brought one of the prompt into the section. You can see the primary keyword is Isha temple, which is very bad if you go with this. Make sure to verify everything and read through it and update it. Do all the edits which you can do up to this. And there is an also activity log. I think it's not showing me. Should I refresh it? Let's see. Currently it is on a 84 score. I still have duplicate H1 tag. Is do I have a duplicate H1 tag? I need to fix it again. So this should be H1 tag. And let's see. Is it H1 tag? If it is, I'm not sure where it's bringing the duplicate H2 tags. I want to verify every information provided by this tool is correct. That is my goal here. I made a mistake here and it brings a lot of different section content also into as a H1 tag. This is a huge SEO problem I need to fix. So it identified that correctly, which is really good to be honest. Missing link titles, I'm not sure what that is. Is it a title with a link? Activity log, it's not showing me anything. So again, I think we have done what we can do. Let me go back to the dashboard. Now it is check marked on that as well. That is how you optimize one page at a time. Now let us go into fix technical issues. Okay, now we are coming into fixing technical issues. I have around 884 errors, warning 770, notices 365, website else go. Good. Let's see what errors it has identified. Missing meta description, missing canonical tag, duplicate. Again, this is a huge mistake I need to fix. I am not sure how even I missed this particular. There are 657. It is huge SEO mistake. So long time, like this is the priority issue. So let's see how I can start working on it. For this purchase has one more tag. Like if I do that? Like I know like it has multiple H1 tag. You can see it's bringing what is happening here. It's bringing these as a H1 tag. So I don't think it can fix these issue. I can easily fix it. I can just edit this and make all this as a H4. Then it will be fixed. It's a dynamic template bringing in all the data. It's not doing it automatically. It's asking me to do it. And then I can mark it and make it like I have fixed it. So that is how it shows the list of issues which it already have. Okay, I came back. Oh, it no longer is clickable. So it will show you the results, which is good actually, because remember, this is one of my main site and I don't remember how this particular section problem happened to here. So it's good. Now let me go into check website performance. It's giving me more depth compared to the home page dashboard with clicks improvement, total impressions, keyword distributions. Those data will be useful. Total tracked keyword. So it's tracking 1,000 keywords. That's what I'm trying to come up with here. So they have something related for images and web separately, which is good because Search Console provide both image and web data. So it's giving me an overall comparison. I can see the data for different section as well. So that is good. So let's say, for example, I want to only focus for the last 30 days. Can I do that? Okay, I can do that as well. It's showing me the queries. These queries are coming directly from the Google Search Console, but it's showing me in a nicely organized way, like how much click has reduced, impression risen, CTR position, and I also have some kind of analysis button and optimize. I think then it will be taking to optimize and track. Before clicking on any of these, I want to see the dashboard again because that features I think probably will linked onto one of these section. So I want to see all the logical steps. Track your first keyword. I can start tracking. I do this and I set up my website homepage URL. Do that worldwide and track. This is how we start tracking keywords. This is done and it shows me the domain age. Currently, it does not have any data right now. I think it might take some time to get some data here. Let me go back to the home page dashboard. Again, we have completed that. Generate your report. We have keyword insight report, new pages, low CTR by query, long tail. Let me do one of this. So let me do 7 days and start generate. Let's see how fast. So there's no progress bar or anything here to visually notify me what is happening here. Let me refresh it. And okay, then it's coming here. It didn't show me any data here. When I click on this, let's see what kind of data I'm getting here. So new keywords. These are new keywords which have been identified on the last 7 day with the CTR and the position we are in. So it's good. It's giving me all the different stuff. Let me go with some interesting winners and losers. I used to do these things with Search Console data. You can download the data, put it into Gemini and analyze it, or use the Search Console to compare different periods. You can get the same data here as well. I think this is just another interface which shows this data in a different way for you. Definitely, it looks much cleaner here, but not very big different. Very similar to what we can see from Search Console. So here it shows me the new keywords report. Okay, so that is what reports section does. It brings up different. We have completed the wizard. This is the big part of the video. Now let me go one by one on all of these section. Then I'll go for the AI agent, the final part of the video. AI content writer, what it does. Let's see. So here I go into this section. No article. It is going to be asking me to come up with an article. It's a AI article writer. Let me put my target country. So I have given a one kind of a, it's not a good keyword to be honest, just something came off out of mind because it is raining. So once I give the keyword, what it is essentially trying to do is it's brainstorming title, which is good. Step one, top Coimbatore rain travel plan tips, top Coimbatore rain travel guide. Okay, I was thinking it is going to be using my keyword exactly as it is. At least it didn't do that because it was a grammatically wrong keyword which I gave. Plan your Coimbatore rain. And this is a good one. Stay dry. Again, this is a good one. Coimbatore rain travel tips. Again, these are good. These are very good to be honest. Let me pick this because this somehow connected with me better. Next, let's see what it is doing. It's trying to engage to create an introduction. Looking to embrace. I don't like the word embrace. It's a AI generated word we can easily identify. As the rain arrives in Coimbatore, it's perfect time. Okay, let me pick one. I'm not 100% confident with this text because there is something called AI slop. It is a technical term we use basically without having a proper research outline and background context. Any content you create with AI is just going to be a slop content. Does it feels very generic. So heading structures, it comes with 6 different heading. So the introduction, destination, best time, essential, very good headings. These headings are very good. So again, these are no complaint for an article like this. These heading is very suitable. Writing. This is where I feel there should be another step in the middle. I think it is automatically going to start writing the keyword article, but essentially after headings, there should be an outline where we put bullet points, we put necessary information. Then maybe it can go and start writing the content. I'm not a fan of this workflow right now because it is clearly doing the final touches and getting the article ready. It failed. It didn't come out with the article. It actually failed for me. I got the pop-up message, and I'm not sure whether even if it is generated, I wouldn't be using that article, and I wouldn't recommend you to use that article because it is a huge problem when it comes to AI or just SEO in general. You should have a in-between step to add your own research, your own insights, then create the article. Okay, I think it is failed again. Let me try just one more time. If it's failed again, I'm going to skip this step and I'm going to move forward. Is it because of my trial account? I'm not totally sure, but let's see one more time. So it's showing all the different section of what it is doing, from comprehensive paragraph generating, polishing your article. If it brings SEO keywords into this content, it is really good. But again, it failed for me. So I'm not able to complete this section. So this is a negative one for this particular tool. It couldn't write me AI content writer. So that is AI content writer, AI model index. Let's see what this has to offer. Analyze your website accessibility, and it will analyze and let me know how easy AI can measure or index my website. So that is the concept. So let's see what criteria it uses. Parsing, fetching, analyzing, and complete. It is currently analyzing. Okay, 100 percentage. Nothing is blocked. I think it is just checking the robot text. Through Cloudflare, we can block AI agent bots and everything. So it's just checking the robot text or the Cloudflare rules to make sure it is allowed or not. That's it. So it's not a big tool or big use in Kit, but having it here might be helpful to quickly do it, because once you allow it for one website in a root level, it is going to be allowed for every single web page unless you are blocking in a page level. Next, we have something called AI Search Volume Analyzer. Discover accurate keyword search volumes with AI powered analysis. Let's see, interesting. I entering some keywords which I know. Oh, that is sad. I was going to give as a Indian location, but we are limited to just US, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and language. So it is very limited here. I'm not sure why we don't have locations here. So let's keep it as it is and go about it. I'm not sure there will be any searches here from USA. I don't think there will be any searches. You can see obviously there is no search here. Interestingly enough, bus route has some search. I'm also not sure how they are coming with the search volume. I would have preferred to see a database section. So let me go with one broad keyword to see how that search will look like. Just for example, now it is showing me 95,000 searches per month. This is very possible with weight loss keywords. I think it is grabbing a data from one of the API to bring this data. So I want to know how they are bringing this data. Otherwise, it's not 100% useful. Every single keyword, if it's just showing me a simple graph and a search volume, it might be useful for some, but for me, it is a very basic feature, especially with the AI age and everything. Next, let me go into the AI model compatibility. Analyze your website compatibility with AI models, including chat. Let me do that. So I'll give a URL. I have analyzed it. It is on fetching, analyzing, and complete. Let's see what it is able to do right now. Still waiting for the report. Let's see. I don't think it is also going to be coming, to be honest, because it is stuck. Okay, it came. No, nothing happened. It went back into the same mode. Let me try. Okay, now this came. So again, there was a problem. The score, I think it is going to be slowly adding. I wish it is goes fast. Currently, we have good Chat GPT, we have 60 percentage coverage, say Gemini 80, Llama 20, Mistral, Cohere, all those things. So, what are the things we are missing? Let's see. Did the analysis part twice. No reference to major news publication was the issue. While reviews are mentioned, there is no direct links to public review platform. So we need to implement EAAT authority signals here. Same problem here. The content provides primary descriptive rather than deep analysis, which is inaccurate. No, that's not straightforward. These are good to be honest because it gives me certain idea of what we are missing and can start implementing. I wish they have some sort of info bar or how to fix this. Like they found this particular problem in this section of the text. You need to do this. That way, it will be much more helpful for business owners to know. For example, this technical document does not contain any technical documentation. Why should I want that? Because it's just a normal article, so it does not make sense. Developer focus content, programmer. I don't know why this is the analysis for Llama. Maybe because of the LLM model type. For example, descriptive information rather than deep analysis. I wish to see the sections to get a better understanding and fix those issues as possible. So that is what happened. Again, improvements are recommended, which is good, but I wish to see more data on fixing or how to fix these issues as well. So that is AI compatibility. Let me go into the AI tracker. I think we added a keyword here. Is it where did we add the keyword? It's not showing me here. Let me do it. So keyword, what should I go after? Like Coimbatore. So I have added the keyword. Let me give a URL as well. And location, is it India available here? Okay, India is available. Good. So I'll start tracking here. See what happens. What happens here is monitor your presence in Google. I wish to read it, but it's still processing. I'm not sure why. I feel the tool is somehow slow right now. I'm not sure this is because of the AppSumo demand for the lifetime deal during Black Friday or because it is gathering the data backend or it's just generally slow. So again, it's bringing me search, monitor your presence in Google AI generated answers and organic search result. Good. So it is bringing me organic result and a AI position, which is actually good to be honest. AI status, it's not available for this particular search term, visibility, all these things. So I can recheck it. What is this test? It shows me the top results here, which is again good. I can reference it. I can also see a AI generated answer if that was available. What this does. Position history, very good. So we can track all these things. So essentially the AI overview tracker is a decent enough tool to be honest, because it is doing something very important. It is doing the normal rank tracking along with the AI status, AI position, and citation and everything. And it's also counting the mention, which is a good option as well. So that is what AI tracker does. Now let us go into website optimization. We coming into the tools. This was a AI toolkit. Now we are coming into the AI SEO tool. This is where we essentially did the first section. I think we chose a key page and went to it. Like, do we have a bulk option here to select multiple URL? I think we need to go one by one to optimize it. Bulk optimization is there. I didn't see it at the first. So for titles and meta description, they are giving bulk meta description optimization features. Let me do a couple of this to see how effective it is. So let me click two. And what are the things I need to click here? So I have clicked here. I need to click on optimize. So bulk optimization started. It's showing me a progress bar. Just remember the titles right now. So we should see the modified title in place. Let's see. In progress, okay, it switched. So it was able to change the title optimize. It's giving me a visual indicator also, which is good. And also for bulk meta description also, it's doing, I think, same thing, which is again, let me try it testing for the same two section. And I wish to see more sections here, like they can do image alt text here, bulk optimization. They can possibly bring internal links into bulk optimization. We can set priority because not everyone will start doing it one by one. I wish to see all those into here. And you can see it has done a good job here. So bulk optimization is available for bulk titles and bulk meta description. Website audit. Let's see what it does. So website audit, I think this is the one we saw from the wizard screen itself. It will show you the errors, but not a way to fix it. Just you need to go and start fixing it on manually. And I wish they have some helpful tool tip how to fix it. All these things like Morning Score, another favorite SEO tool of mine. It provides very good tool tip information for any task or any mission. They have some SEO goals and everything. So that is what is missing here. So that is missing here. Then let us go into the analytics here, where basically it is going to be showing me, I think, the search console data into different sections. So you can view this if you want. It is not going to be very interesting for me because I know what I can expect from each of this. I can get the same data on Google Search Console, but this interface a bit more nice. The colors are nice, to be honest. So we have country analysis. You will see India mostly, and you have devices traffic. Report is one which we saw as well. Apart from that, we have something called keyword research. I think this is going to be that keyword research tool we initially tested. I think. Let's see. Again, the tool is feeling a bit slow. Okay, it's a different keyword research tool. So let us try it. Do we have in all the countries? Good. Let me go for this search. I'm searching again. You can see I clicked on search, loaded. Again, the app is loading, then still loading, then it's coming out. So competition low, volume. What is the competition referring to? Advertising competition for keyword and search advertising. So it's a PPC ad competition, not SERP competition. Volume, navigational, average CPC value, impression clicks, monthly searches, age distribution of people on what they are searching, keyword difficulty. Why? So they have SERP difficulty, but for this particular keyword, it couldn't find it. And gender distribution, we have age distribution and gender and top 10 results. If I click here, I think it is going to be taking to that same particular page. And also it's bringing me related keyword. Again, really good. So this is also bringing me gender distribution. This is the sort of data I don't see in all the SEO keyword research tool. These are unique, to be honest. Intent, it's showing me the intent. What I can do, I can start tracking it or I can Google it. Low competition, this is I think PPC. Don't think it as SERP traffic. This is should be PPC, I think. And it giving me a lot of suggestion. For example, it goes up to 10 pages, which is really good. So I can export this data also, I think, if I want. So keyword research, a very good job, to be honest. It gave me all the important stuff, but this was missing. I don't know why this didn't happen. And I really like the fact they are bringing a lot of different keywords. I wish to have a difficulty section here as well. Some data feels inaccurate. It is going to be dependent on the database it's using. Keyword tracker, this is one we started using. Currently, we don't have any data here. I'm not sure like when will we see the data, like, or and we are already ranking for this keyword. So I'm not sure about this particular one. Apart from that, we have settings to control the website. We have added and verified team management control to bring different team members into this platform. Let me quickly go into the AI agent mode because that is what keep on popping up for me. So within the AI agent mode, you sort of get a raw chat GPT kind of interface with chat history and an AI agent. So I think I can start doing something here. Let's see. Page 2 to page 1 ranking potential. Let me click on it. This was the one which I was referring as a low hanging keyword opportunities. So when I click that, it should look into my data, analyze and set up filters and bring those datas into me. So let's see. So here are the keywords. So it's bringing me a table, creating a table. Good. And impression CTR. What is the position? You can see it is bringing those data in a sort of like a chat GPT environment. What we can do is we can start chatting with our data, which is interesting, cool concept. Let me try it. Like I don't have any stop option here. So there is no stop button. I wish there was a stop button. So we have to wait until this finish, or I think I need to refresh it again. Let's see. I'm not sure how long will it go. Okay, it finished. It's still going with the recommendation on what I need to do to improve the ranking. It brought a table, it bringing me the instructions on improve the ranking. Let's see whether that is good or not. Optimize page title to include enhanced content quality, internal link, monitor perform instruction, not the exact instruction on what actually you can start like do with it, like put this into the title or have an exact match keyword. General advice here. Let me go very customizing. So find similar opportunities with event keywords. I have given a spelling error, and I have also trying to see whether the AI can do query match within my data to find keywords with events in it and give based on that all the opportunities can provide. If it brings this data, I will be impressed because it will be a very easy way for non-technical users to start using this AI agent functionality. Let's see. Okay, again, it's building the table, moment of truth, to be honest. Okay, it did bring up this data. You can see the 10th number position and 12th number position. Very good. I am impressed because like if you're a techie person, you can find this data very easily with Google Search Console. But if you're a business owner, a non-technical person, you have a utility where the Search Console data is connected. You can just chat with an AI agent and it is bringing you all the data, which is kind of cool. So it is a very good AI agent. I have only tested one section, but what it is providing me or what it's showing me is consider me impressed because it is bringing those data here. But the negative, again, there is no stop button, so I have to wait for it. Let's see whether it is bringing me different recommendation here or the same recommendation here. Okay, I can't scroll. It is like it is doing customization, which is good because you can see this was event related query. So it is giving me that I should bring event related data. So not totally generic content, but it's good. So I started it. Let me create new chat. I can delete the chats here. Where is the wizard section? I think it might be showing me only one time. It's showing me. I do that. Keyword opportunities, their action plan, prioritize, critical issues need to be fixed. Let's see what happens when I do the critical issues because I will be finishing this video. I wanted to be in depth and cover a real life situation, not just a normal review. So now I am asking a critical SEO issue. So let's see, H1 issue need to be on here. That was a priority. Actually, that is a bigger priority than the meta description in my view. Missing Canada is a priority. It is giving me what are the things it is missing and what are the things I need to do with urgency. It is a good way to chat with this. I'm going to stop it here, but you get an idea. You just talk with the AI agent, which automatically, okay, H1 tag is also coming into play. As I mentioned, it should be there because it's a critical issue. So it is a really good way of showing me all the important data and in a non-technical for business owner. So that is my review and tutorial of ClickRank on what are the things I found. Really interesting tool for AI SEO and general SEO as well. Not a fan of AI content writer model right now. There should be a sales step between article generation and heading. There should be outline, and also it didn't generate for me, it failed. Apart from that, I am very interested with the AI agent mode. It was very easy for me to get started chatting with the AI agent to find so many issues, and I also like the fact it was able to change the stuff very quickly also. There was some minor bugs and some loading issues I have shown out through this app, so it can fix those issues. It will be a really good asset as well. If you are interested in a similar tool, I have next video on this link. It is not known and it is also a SEO tool for AI, which will help you to monitor your site performance on all the search engines. Do check it out. Thank you.